In this video, I'll show you how to fix in case your Samsung remote control is lagging. So every time you're pressing a button, it takes some time for the TV to make the switch. And this can happen with any of these buttons. So I'll show you how to fix this issue. Number one thing, what to do is to disconnect your TV from the wall socket. So go ahead and pull that plug. Then take your remote control, turn it the other side, remove this panel. Even if your remote, by the way, does not look like mine, you should do the same thing. Remove the batteries that are inside. Then turn it on the other side, find the power button and keep it pressed during 30 seconds. Do not release that button. This will drain any excess charge that is left inside of the remote control, even if it does not have any batteries. What we need to do is to press each button. I know there are many buttons, but you need to press each of these buttons very firmly, okay, with your thumb, like this, at least 5 times each. The reason behind this is that there is a chance that there is some debris stuck under these buttons. Could be some dust, could be some food maybe, or even some dirt. And because of that, every time you press the button, the contact is not made with the circuit board inside of the remote and there is a lag. Even if you have, let's say, some dust under this button over here, it could affect other buttons as well. So by pressing very hard, you're trying to dislodge any debris that may be there. So go ahead, do this. I know it may take 2-3 minutes. Obviously, if you have more time, it's better to open up the remote control and clean it inside, but I'm sure not many people have the time to do it and it's not that easy to open it up. Once you're done pressing these buttons very firmly, one by one, at least 5 times, go ahead, put back the batteries. Now plug back your TV. And do not turn it on using your remote control. Turn it on using the button that is under your TV. Mine is located over here, but maybe yours is located under the Samsung logo or on the left side. But for sure, any Samsung Smart TV has a button under. So you just need to tap it once. Hopefully this solved your issue and everything is running smoothly. If you have other ways how to fix this issue, please leave a comment down below, or if what I showed you worked, leave a comment as well. It's always nice to read them. If not, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.